Westinghouse WPX3000e review. Strong electric cleaning without the usual gas-powered hassle. You know that moment when the patio still looks tired after all that scrubbing, and somehow your car, siding, and driveway join the guilt parade too? It gets old fast. Last weekend, a small fence spot turned into a full afternoon of annoyance. Not fun. If that sounds familiar, you will probably relate to this review. The deeper frustration is not just the dirt. It is the time leak, the setup dread, and that low-key mental tax of putting cleanup off again because it feels bigger than it should. One homeowner planned a quick driveway rinse and lost half the morning chasing mediocre results. That adds up. The good news is, better workflow does exist. The Westinghouse WPX3000e steps in as a practical answer for homeowners who want strong electric cleaning power without gas maintenance, oil checks, or pull start theatrics. Don't just buy any electric pressure washer. Make sure it has total stop system so you never suffer from unnecessary motor wear and noisy idle time again. That matters. On paper, you get up to 3,000 pounds per square inch and 1.76 gallons per minute max, while real-world use lands closer to around 2,600 pounds per square inch and 1.1 gallons per minute, which is a more honest expectation for everyday cleaning. The 13-amp motor, axial cam pump, 25-foot hose, 35-foot GFCI cord, steel wand, and 5 quick connect nozzles make it feel ready for actual home jobs, not just brochure photos. One user hit an old driveway stain with the turbo nozzle and watched the concrete lighten in clean stripes. Another swapped to the soap nozzle on a dusty SUV and said the wash felt oddly satisfying, like finally fixing a chore that kept staring back. Small bonus insight, it is also handy for those awkward in-between jobs like outdoor furniture and fence panels. What makes the Westinghouse WPX3000e easy to live with is how much friction it removes from the whole cleaning routine. You roll it out on the 10-inch never flat wheels, plug into a standard 120-volt outlet, connect a garden hose, and get moving without the usual gas engine ritual. Pretty nice. The onboard 0.45-gallon soap tank helps when you want to wash vehicles, siding, or a deck without juggling extra bottles. And the quick connect nozzles keep task switching simple instead of weirdly dramatic. Reviewers often describe it in plain language, which is usually the best kind of praise. Easy to assemble, plenty of power for home use, and quiet compared to gas come up again and again. One person cleaned a driveway at breakfast and said the machine sounded more like progress than chaos. Another mentioned finally washing patio furniture, steps, and the car in one stretch because setup no longer felt like a negotiation. Want a pressure washer that actually gets used instead of postponed? That is where this model quietly wins. It is not trying to be a commercial monster, but for driveways, siding, decks, vehicles, and outdoor furniture, it covers more ground than many people expect. If you have been waiting for a solid reason to stop fighting with stubborn grime the slow way, this might be it. Demand stays strong because the Westinghouse WPX3000e hits a sweet spot. Real cleaning strength, lower maintenance, and easier day-to-day use. Simple choice. Plenty of buyers say they would recommend it, and the strong ratings suggest it keeps earning its place in garages and sheds. Check out the Westinghouse WPX3000e and see if it fits the way you actually clean at home.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.